Imagine this, a new home, filled with character, charm, and the best part, it's furnished for free. How, you ask? Well, let's dive in. First, tap into your social network. Friends, family, neighbors. They might just have that perfect piece gathering dust in their attic. A simple ask could result in a treasure trove of unwanted furniture. Next, wander the virtual aisles of online platforms. FreeCycle, Freegal, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace. These digital marketplaces are often bursting with free or bargain-priced items. Don't forget about the brick-and-mortar world. Local charity shops, thrift stores, and furniture reuse projects are goldmines for second-hand pieces with a story. Struggling financially? Look into grants or vouchers from local authorities, welfare schemes, or charitable organizations. They can help you afford furniture and essential white goods. For the creatively inclined, why not design your own virtual furniture with free 3D software like Home By Me? Experiment with styles and layouts before making a single purchase. Or take it a step further and build your own furniture from recycled materials. Pallets, crates, cardboard boxes, they can all be transformed into unique, functional pieces. And remember, furnishing a home doesn't have to break the bank. All it takes is a little savvy and a lot of imagination.